Welcome back on this Wednesday morning. Winter weather advisories along with winter storm warnings are still in effect through about tomorrow morning as we continue with strong winds and lake effect snow. We're looking at winds today to be out of the west and northwest with gusts in excess of 40 to 45 miles per hour. That means blowing snow is going to be a big impact for us. And then we'll notice that those winds will decrease throughout the course of the overnight hours into tomorrow morning. So kind of keep that in mind. All with this system that's moving through the area. The cold front is east of the region. Those winds have been increasing and cooler air has been wrapping around that area of low pressure. We're seeing some snow in parts of Baraga right now, so along US 41. But otherwise in the precipitation department at this moment, it's kind of quiet out there. Some roads are definitely a little slippery, so keep that in mind. But I did set a moderate to high risk for travel conditions. So with that blowing snow, we are looking at poor visibility, especially near Lake Superior throughout the course of the day. There's still a potential of some isolated power outages because of that strong wind, as well as some isolated down tree limbs or tree branches. And then on top of that, we could certainly have some beach erosion due to some larger waves, especially on the west coast, so extending over into parts of the Keweenaw. Here's your hour by hour for today. That lake effect snow increasing. This is 9 o'clock in the morning. And then here we go as we extend through the afternoon. We're looking at more heavy lake effect snow in the eastern counties to continue through tonight into early tomorrow morning. So say if you're south of Marquette along the Wisconsin state line in those southern counties, you're not really going to pick up a whole lot of snow out of this. It's mainly just going to be a wind threat for y'all folks down there. As we head towards tomorrow morning, most of that snow comes to an end and the winds start to decrease. Snowfall amounts, easily 1 to 3 inches of snow in the west and the eastern areas. Within those stronger, more moderate to heavy bands of lake effect snow, though, we're looking at ranges to be about 3 to 6 inches of snow, 3 to 6 inches of snow to 6 inches of snow across the eastern spots. Temperatures today below normal. We're looking at mid to upper 20s for most places, but teens along the Wisconsin state line. Tomorrow morning, we wake up to temperatures quite similar in the lower teens along the Wisconsin state line into the 20s elsewhere, with highs basically in the mid to near upper 20s for most areas tomorrow afternoon. Looking ahead, things will be a little bit more quiet tomorrow and on Friday. Temperatures rebound though on Friday. Friday is going to be a nice shopping day, get outdoor day, because on Saturday, that's when our next disturbance starts to move in. We're looking at rain and snow mixture with another disturbance on Saturday. That precipitation starts to move in Friday.